SmartCare Hybrid PU Sealant. A sealant is a flexible, viscous material that is used to hermetically seal gaps between two different substrates. That is, after sealing, it does not allow air or water to pass through. Sealants are usually flexible in order to accommodate the expansion and contraction of joints, since these joint movements cannot be handled by cement or putty. Usually, silicone or acrylic emulsion-based sealants are ideal for joint or gap filling and for general applications such as window and door gap sealing, etc. However, these sealants are not suited for expansion and construction joints in buildings, terraces, or water-retaining structures like dams. These require a tougher, more flexible product that can hermetically seal the joints in addition to offering greater weather and water resistance. Traditionally, in such cases, polysulfide sealants are used. However, the two-component system makes them inconvenient, and they have other problems like they tend to sag. They aren't paintable or moisture curable. Asian Paints now introduces a product much superior to the conventionally used polysulfide sealants. Asian Paints SmartCare Hybrid PU Sealant. This is a single-component, moisture-curing, low-modulus, Silil-terminated polyurethane sealant for sealing of dynamic cracks and joints up to 40 mm in both interiors as well as exteriors. After curing, it forms a flexible rubber-type seal that is paintable. Being Silil-terminated ensures that the sealant has good adhesion on a wide range of substrates. Also, since it is moisture-curing, the moisture present in the air helps the sealant to cure more effectively, while low modulus implies that the sealant is flexible. These features equip SmartCare Hybrid PU Sealant to be used in a wide variety of areas and applications. The advantages of this product are: it is a single-component product with a special formulation, eliminating the need to mix components. It offers excellent adhesion to most building substrates and construction material without a primer. Joints that are filled with SmartCare Hybrid PU Sealant are paintable. That is, they can be top-coated with the desired shade. It is flexible, having a capability of withstanding joint movement up to 25%. It forms a highly durable and flexible rubber seal. It is water-resistant and also highly resistant to aging and weathering. It is environment-friendly since it is free from isocyanates and silicones, and it contains less volatile organic compounds or VOC. The areas of usage for SmartCare Hybrid PU Sealant include sealing of dynamic joints such as expansion and construction joints in buildings. Let us first understand what expansion joints are. Expansion joints are most commonly found in buildings, pipelines, concrete slabs, bridges, etc. These are movement joints that are essential for absorbing any heat-induced expansion or contraction of construction material, any vibrations due to traffic, and any ground movements that might occur during an earthquake. These are similar to the gaps left between railway tracks, which expand and contract due to heating and cooling. Had there been no expansion joints, the constant expansion-contraction would lead to the tracks buckling up, which could cause the train to derail, just like a bridge might twist, bend, or even collapse in their absence. The other areas of application include joints in precast elements, joints in wall cladding and infill panels, joints in internal and external facades as well as natural stones, sealing of dynamic cracks such as in roofs, parapet walls, vertical walls, corners of windows and door frames, filling of joints and gaps in floor slabs and industrial floors. Other areas such as water reservoirs, storage tanks, dams and canal lining, curtain walling, retaining walls, subways, bridges and balconies, parapets and gluing of EPDM membranes. Let us now have a look at the application process for SmartCare Hybrid PU Sealant. Ensure that the surface is clean, dry and sound by removing dust, loose particles, oil and grease. Cut open the sealant cartridge and cut the nozzle at a 45-degree angle as per the joint width and then load it into the sealant gun. Fill the sealant in the required joint or crack. Spread it at the edges to ensure adhesion of the sealant at both edges of the gap and then level the sealant with a putty knife. Finish it by tooling the surface with a concave shape with soap water. A water-based paint can be used to coat the sealant if required. In case the sealant is being used for an expansion joint, a backer rod is required to be used. Before the sealant is applied, the joint is filled and packed tightly with a backer rod, leaving enough room for the sealant. The rest of the procedure remains the same as before. To summarize, Asian Paints SmartCare Hybrid PU Sealant is a single component, moisture curing, low modulus Silel terminated polyurethane sealant for sealing of dynamic cracks and joints in interiors as well as exteriors. After curing, it forms a flexible, rubber-type seal that is paintable. It offers excellent adhesion to most building substrates and also bonds to most construction material without primer. It can withstand joint movement of up to 25% and can be used for sealing joints up to 40 mm. It is environmentally friendly.